Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see configure protection policies in Microsoft Defender for Office 365. So the preset security policies allow us to apply protection features to users based on the recommended settings. Unlike custom policies that are infinitely configurable, virtually all of the settings in preset security policies are not configurable and are based on the observations in the data centers. So depending upon the organization, preset security policies provide many of the protection features that are available in Exchange Online Protection and Microsoft Defender for Office 365. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I'm logged on to the portal. So you go to security.microsoft.com and then you go to this policies and rules. Under email and collaboration, click on policies and rules. Click on threat policies. It will take a few seconds to load up. Okay, so when you are at this screen, you click on preset security policies. If you will click on it, it says it gives you an introduction video that you can watch. It talks about built-in protection that is applied to all the users in your tenant. Built-in protection is enabled only for paid Microsoft Defender for Office 365 tenants. You can add exclusions as well. It is the standard protection. So if this is your first time on the preset security page, it's likely that standard protection or strict protection are turned off. So if you want to turn it on, just click on this toggle switch and then you can on it. And then if you will click on manage protection settings, apply Exchange Online Protection, and you can click on that to apply the Exchange Online Protection page. And you can set it to all the recipients, or you want to set it to specific recipients. Domains, all recipients in the organization with the primary email address are specified. Let's say I want to do it on specific recipients or none, to all the recipients or specific recipients, and then you can, let's say all, then you can exclude it. Right, click on next. Impersonation. If you want to turn on the impersonation protection, add email addresses to flag when impersonated by attackers. Like, so we'll talk about impersonation protection in the coming videos and how you can enable it. But for now, these are the policies that are available. Okay, this is the configuration analyzer. The configuration analyzer can help identify issues in your current configuration and help improve your policies for better security. Right? This is the standard recommendations. This is the strict recommendations, configuration, drift analysis, and history. These are the anti-phishing, anti-spam, anti-malware policies that you can enable in your environment, or you can create those policies in your environment. This is the anti-phish default policies that I created. If you want to create a new one, you can click on create here and create. I'll show you in another videos as well. Anti-phishing, anti-spam, anti-malware, safe attachment policies, and these are the tenant allow or block list rules that are present under policies and rules. Email authentication settings, advanced delivery, enhanced filtering, quarantine policies. These all I will explain one by one what exactly the meaning of these threat policies and what type of policies, templated policies, rules and other features are available. And if you talk about alert policy, it says mail flow alerts have moved to the new Exchange Admin Center starting October 2021. Customer will only be able to create, view, edit mail flow alerts in the new Exchange Admin Center. You have to go to the Admin Center now. If you click on it, it will open up the Exchange Admin Center where you can apply the same settings. We're not doing it right now. We can create the alert policy from here as well. Okay, if I have to go back, this is the activity alerts that you can also configure under policies and rules. All right. So this is where I wanted to show you about the policies and rules sections in under Office 365 in Defender. I'll make policies. I'll show you the step-by-step guides to create and how to use preset security policies, analyzer, and all these anti-phishing, anti-spam policies, so that you are well aware of what to do and how to do it and what scenarios you'll have to do it. Alright, so I believe this session was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.